parallel operation of alternator. So as you can see, this is the apparatus of the setup of this parallel operation of alternator. So as we have started in the alternator chapter, so why we need this parallel operation? We know that sometimes when the load is increasing but when the alternators are limited, so at that time to match between the demand and supply, what we have to do? We have to add some alternators with the running alternator. So as we have studied that there is a running alternator that is connected to some sort of load. Now with that system we have to add some incoming alternator. So now at that time we have studied that there are some conditions. We have to check those conditions and then we have to add that incoming alternator to the running alternator. What are those conditions are there for the parallel operation? We have to match the frequency, we have to match the phase sequence, we have to match the phases of those alternators that we have that we want to connect that one incoming alternator with the running alternator. So let us start this experiment and we will see that how we can synchronize two alternators. One is the running alternators connected to some sort of load. Here we have load, here we have used some bulbs as a load, and how we can connect some incoming alternator with that running alternator. Okay, so as here in this particular experiment you will see two methods we have seen over here. One is the bulb method, 3 bulb method. By this we can synchronize. We have started this in theory part, and also we have the synchronous by which we can do this one. So let us start the experiment. So as you can see, this is the total panel board for the parallel operation of two alternators. So let us check what are the components we have in this section. So in the below section we can see there is an alternator coupled with a DC machine, and in this side we have another alternator. So these two alternators are going to be connected with each other by this parallel operation. So let us see what are the components or apparatus we have. So as you can see, there are different meters are there. For DC machines we have DC motor, we have DC voltage measurement meter, that is voltmeter, ammeters are there. For alternator section we have alternator voltage, that is the armature voltage, armature current, armature field current, and there is a frequency meter is there, so that we have to, as we know that for the condition we have to match the frequency when we have to connect two alternators in parallel. Like this way, in this side also the same meters are there, voltmeters, ammeters, frequency meters, those which we have to measure when we have to connect two alternators. So this one is the synchronoscope. Okay, so as you can see, so there is a one side, right hand side there is a fast, there is a left hand side there is a slow. In theory section we have studied what is the working principle of this one, and these are the bulbs which is going to be synchronized, and this is the handle. When we have to synchronize that handle, we have to connect with this one like this way. Okay, and these are the push buttons to switch on the machines. This side we have for this alternators, and this side we have for the second alternators. And in the below section, as we can see the diagram, there is a alternator, right hand side and left hand side we have a DC machine coupled with each other, and this side panel also we have the same connection diagram, and at the below section we can see the alternator field. Okay, here also where there is a field section for this left hand side alternator, as you can see over there, and there is another alternator field as you can see over here. This is for this alternator. Then another others of all are the switch on, switch off switches, all are present over there. These are the variacs. Okay, so these are the components we have for this particular experiment. And the middle section, we know that what is the importance of bus bar. So in this bus bar, one alternator is already connected, that is known as the running alternator, and with that we have to connect another alternator. Now Srivas is going to start the experiment with the whole connection. Okay, let us start. We have
ऑर्डिनेटर 8 alternator same our DC motor field armature field armature alternator R Y B alternator field alternator field ready go main on issues on tomorrow বলছে একই রোটেশনে করতে হবে এটা যেদিকে করতে হবে এটাও সেদিকে করতে হবে এটা অন করে দিলাম অন এই একই রোটেশনে করছে রোটেশনে দিকে একই রোটেশনে করছে
both motors are running at the same direction. এটা আমাদের প্রথমেই মাথায় রেখে দিতে হবে, both motors should be rotated in the same direction. See, both are rotated in the same direction. Changing the frequency up to 50 hertz, frequency টা চেঞ্জ হচ্ছে, it is going to for the 50 hertz. Now this set second alternator, now we have to change. We have to set the same frequency for the both alternators. That thing is done by Srivas sir, just adjusting the frequency at 50 hertz. দুটো alternator is fields are now switch on. It is increasing. Second field is also increasing. Alternator voltage are now provided. See now, see how the bulbs are rotating, glowing and dim, glowing and dim. These things are happening at the same time, as we can see in the synchroscope. See, it is not synchronized till now, so we cannot do that. So now again we have to adjust. So Srivas sir is adjusting. See, check the glow and dim of the bulbs. The frequency it is changing, the speed of the change of the bulbs are slow down. See, the synchroscope is rotating 360 degree and voltage is up and down. So we have to check when the voltage is at 0, at that time we have to synchronize. Alternator fields are changing so that we can make the synchronization between two alternators. Adjustment is done by Srivas sir. So in the above section there is a voltmeter that is fluctuating very fast. Adjustment is done by Srivas sir. So now we have to going to synchronize. See that voltage fluctuation is very less. So when the voltage is at near about 0, at that time we have to synchronize. See, check very carefully. See when the voltage is near 0, at that time Shiva sir will going to synchronize these two alternators. Very carefully check. See now, yes, two alternators are now synchronized. See, from the sound you can understand how this is working. See, in the beside this panel we have the load terminals. These are the loads. With the machine we have some loads. The loads are there. See here the bulbs are glowing very high. The below section, yes, all are running. See above there are 3 bulbs synchronized. Dim glow here. This is the load. These bulbs are used here for the loads. So like this way we have to perform this experiment, and we will see how two alternators are connected in parallel. So this is all about the parallel operation of two alternators. Thank you. The bus bar. So this